So the reason I started Channel19 is that I grew up in a family with a trucking business, and I saw a lot of the pain points they have when trying to grow their business. In addition to having a good understanding of the trucking companies, I also have a background in technology. I've built tech products in the past, and lately with the advent of generative AI, this technology is being applied for the benefit of other players in the ecosystem like shippers and brokers. Trucking companies tend to be at the lower end of the totem pole. I really have an affinity for the trucking companies because I come from them, and I want to apply this tech for their benefit. That's the reason why I started Channel19. The way Channel19 benefits the trucking industry is by making the operations of a trucking company better. We make them more efficient, they're able to do more with less. Our software eliminates a lot of the manual tasks that a trucking company has to do, which means that they are able to spend more time supporting their partners, which is brokers and shippers and the truck drivers. And so overall, what that means is by making the trucking company more efficient, we are making their relationships better and they're able to serve their partners better. And so overall, it benefits the entire ecosystem by the trucking company being better. So the pain points that Channel19 addresses include, number one, we eliminate the need for you to monitor many different load boards on multiple screens, which a lot of dispatchers end up doing. We've aggregated loads from a lot of different brokers and shippers in one place, so it's easy for you to find loads from a variety of different sources in one place. The second thing is the interaction with the brokers to book loads. Currently it's entirely manual. It is done via email, phone, and text. We eliminate that via the Copilot, which is able to do a lot of that on your behalf, and it will route the question or the load booking to you if it's not able to handle it. And then finally, providing support. Currently, the dispatch is on call or on text to make sure the questions that brokers or the drivers have, they are addressed. This can again be offloaded to the Copilot. So each of these are pretty painful for the dispatcher because they need to be always on in a way, and we eliminate the need for that. So the way Channel19 makes the life of an owner-operator easier is by giving them a hands-free way to book business for their truck. The number one thing is finding and booking loads. So you can talk to Channel19 and it'll do the bookings for you. Another thing owner-operators have to do is monitoring the load boards, and it's hard for them while they're on the road. So our virtual agent will monitor the load boards for you. Another thing that we help with is broker setups. A lot of it is pretty manual, so that can be offloaded to virtual bot. And then finally, sending a lot of these documents that are related to loads to get paid, again, has to be done manually. That can be offloaded as well. So basically, at a high level, we are eliminating a lot of the manual tasks, giving them a hands-free way to interact with Channel19. So one of the pain points that dispatchers have is ingesting data from their broker partners that comes in a variety of different formats. A lot of times load offers can come in the body of an email. They could be as an attachment, which could be PDF, Word, Excel. It could be a screenshot from the ERP system that the broker is using. So basically a lot of different formats. And currently the dispatcher has to read it and then go into their system that they're using and manually enter all of this information, which can be very time consuming. So our Copilot is able to read these load offers across all these formats and then create the load for you in your system. And so basically a lot of the manual work is removed for the dispatcher. So that's another big benefit we offer.